Anyway, whatever you get out of this video, what I really want to tell you all is that everyone actually needs a 22 pistol that you can rely on to shoot a lot, because a lot of the training and the basic training of marksmanship with the pistol happens with a good 22 pistol, and all pistols are safety checked before the video. We'll shoot a little bit, just for fun. I need looking devices to see the sights. The Smith & Wesson Model 41. You probably can't beat it. It's so fun to shoot and very accurate. Shoot some more. It was so good fun. I just need to... The gun is empty and safe. Put on my ears and my eyes. And I have 3 clips in the... magazines with 10 shots in my left pocket. I'll shoot 30 shots just for the fun of it, you know? Just for the fun of it. Count. And for you all, a magazine dump on the big target. Gun is empty. As I said, the Model 41. Thumbs way up. This is a good fun firearm. Now it's dirty, so tonight I need to clean it, because the Magtech ammunition is kind of dirty, but it's accurate, so that's all right. Thank you for watching, and as I always say, remember, be safe out there, and always shoot straight. That be on the range or in real life, it's the most important thing. Bye now.